Hey, what's up guys? I have another awesome review today for you. This product was sent out to me by the amazing people over at Brand Reviews. Huge shout out to them for sending this out for a review. This is the Nulaxy Business Pro rechargeable wireless Bluetooth keyboard. On the front you'll see some product features. That's compatible with iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. Features ultra thin and stylish design with a QWERTY keyboard. It also provides comfortable keys for quiet typing, and for low power consumption it has an auto sleep function and rechargeable battery. Now let's take a look inside the box and see everything that this keyboard has to offer. So first, inside the box you do get a charging cable. This is to charge up the keyboard itself. It's a USB to micro USB. So all you have to do is just plug the USB into a wall outlet or power adapter, and then plug the other end into the side of your keyboard. Next we have the keyboard itself with some Nulaxy branding up at the top. And it's wrapped up in this nice plastic to ensure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged when it's being shipped to your house. Next you get a little user manual to let you know some of the key contents and important information about the keyboard. These are also the compatibility buttons that you can use. So you have page down, page up, and home for Windows. And for Android, you have home, search, select all, copy, paste, cut, and previous. One thing first I do want to point out is this keyboard is extremely lightweight due to its aluminum base. And if you listen closely, you can hear the clicking of the keys. But it's actually very quiet for a chiclet style keyboard, which is very nice if you don't want to make too much noise. So with this keyboard, you get your standard QWERTY keyboard, along with some extra keys. So you can switch it between Android or iOS, and the keys react differently. You also have your search as well as cut. It also gives you options for if you're watching a video or listening to music. So you can either play, skip forward, or rewind. And it also has the volume up and volume down, as well as to lock your keyboard. Now up at the top you will see some buttons. You have your connect button, power on and off for the keyboard, as well as some indicator lights for your power, charge, when it's connected to Bluetooth, and if your caps lock is on. Now let me show you real quick how to set this up using my iPad, and I'll be right back to show you my results. And that was my quick look at the Nulaxy 2015 Business Pro rechargeable wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Perfect for iOS, Windows, and Android. Once again, huge shout out to Brand Reviews for sending this out for review. If you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. They currently retail for $18.99, which is a great deal since normally $99.99. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this. And as always, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.